guys, Trent Day, owner and stylist at Salon Roxy, curator of the Roxy Academy, and founder of the Jack Story Foundation. What we wanted to do today was just kind of talk about what we got into with our model. Myself being behind the chair as much as you guys are behind the chair, sometimes you kind of have to make a little bit of a change. So I wanted to find something kind of dark and go as light as I possibly could. So after my consultation, I found out that my client and model, and now friend, has a #1 box color. So that kind of limited me and put me in a little bit of a pickle of what I wanted to do, but we're still going to make something happen. I know also I want to work with Blonda 9. Beautiful, beautiful product to work with. So it's got a violet base to it, so it's going to help prevent unwanted warmth. In this case, I use 30 grams of Blonda 9, 60 grams of my 12% of my 40 volume. Then you're going to see this beautiful ingredient called FillerPlex, a FillerPlex to it. Really important, guys. Measure out your ratios. As soon as you tip it over, it's going to start coming out. So it's going to be imperative that you measure out your dosage of your FillerPlex. And dosage is a good term because it's going to be in there to help repair and protect the hair as it's going through the chemical process. If you're going to add it to your couture color silk, you're going to add 10% of your FillerPlex into your formula. If you're going to use any of your lighteners, you're going to add 20%. What I love about any of these EBRs, these enzymatic bond reconstructors, is they're going to help protect, restore, and really rejuvenate the hair as it's going through its chemical process. So it's there to protect it. With FillerPlex, it's going to protect it from the outside in. So it's also going to protect the cuticle as much as it is the interior layers of the hair. So when it's going through the chemical process, it's not going to break down those bonds. It's going to repair them and keep them intact. It creates this beautiful web around all of these bonds, and it's going to help protect them and hold them together as it's going through that chemical process. There's no follow-up process, so there's no number 2, number 3. There's no higher developer needed, no added processing time. Just add the 10% or 20% into your color or into your lighteners, and you're ready to go. Once we got done processing for the full maximum amount of time of 50 minutes, I brought the model back to the bowl, and we shampooed and conditioned with Roxy. Love Roxy. It makes the hair feel fabulous when you get done with it. And then we towel dried, and so we leave the porosity. So on damp hair, towel dried, it keeps a nice even out of the porosity. Gonna mist it with a little bit of 6-in-1 all-purpose to kind of balance that pH out. And then we're gonna tone it with champagne, our permanent toner. Gonna process that on there for 20 minutes. Again, shampoo with Roxy, rinse with Roxy, and then we're gonna prep and style. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I look forward to seeing you guys out there in the web land, or hopefully sometime here in person. Be safe, be well. Again, thank you all so much for your time. I appreciate it.